Great seeing you here in this new video. And in this new video, I'm going to show you some examples of the schedule and the cost position of our project. And we have those two examples, two cases that we're going to discuss. And I will show you how this project can be characterized by the cost and the schedule position. We look at the case one, there are two cases. We look at the schedule and cost position of case one, and we do the same for case two. So let's have a look at those two cases, the two simple cases. Case one, we have a situation in period 6, where we have the planned value in this period is equal to 60K, the earned value is equal to 30K, and the actual cost is 6K. When you look at this, you can already get some conclusions about the situation, the schedule and the cost position of this project. We have a second case where we have a planned value in period 5, which is 50K, earned value in 5, which is 65K, and an actual cost, which is 55K. So let's have a look at the first case when we're looking at the situation in period 6. We see the period 6, what we have, first of all, the orange curve is the planned value over time, and we see at completion in period 10, we have a budget at completion, which is like equal to 100. The second thing that we're going to consider is the situation at period 6, where we have the two lines that we found. We have the red line, which is the actual cost line, and the green line is the earned value. We can read here that the planned value in period 6 is 60K. We know that the earned value is 30, and we also know that the actual cost in period 6 is 45. Based on this, we can automatically conclude that our project is behind schedule and above budget. We are behind schedule because earned value is below the planned value. It's lower than the planned value, significantly lower, because we have a planned value of 60K and the earned value is only 30K. On the other hand, we see that we have a nice cost overrun because the actual cost is 45 compared to an earned value of 60. So these are the three positions that we have: the planned value, the actual cost, and the earned value. And based on this, we can say that our project is behind schedule and above budget. We can look at case 2, which is the same base curve, but now we are going to look at period 5. We have the same budget at completion, and we are looking at period 5. Now, when we look at the planned value, we can deduct it very easily, which is equal to 50K. Then we see the earned value is 65K, and the actual cost is 55K. Now, here we are in a completely different situation. First of all, the earned value is significantly higher than the planned value. The actual cost is higher than the planned value, which in a classical approach would lead to comments like the project is doing bad because we're over the cost curve, we're over the budget. This can have some consequences because we see basically here that our project is going faster than planned. So we expect to have more money needed to do the work. Luckily, we have an actual cost which is quite close to the planned value, so we're not so far away. But one of the things that we can do using earned value, we can already see here that we may have a budget issue. When we are looking at this, we can see that we can have a budget issue, so we can take measures. We can go to the different stakeholders and try to resolve the problem. It's a good situation, but sometimes it's too good to be true, and it is possible that we will be stopped by the fact that we reach the budgetary limit and we cannot continue the work anymore, which would be sad. On the other hand, we also must evaluate here that the work is going a lot faster, which means that we may have some concerns about the quality. Are we doing everything the way it should be? Well, this is one of the things we have to wonder here. Can it be so good? We don't know. We don't expect this. The same thing that we are performing financially better than we expect, than we estimated. It may also be an indication that we are going too fast, we are not doing everything, and it may lead to quality problems and issues. So we have to evaluate these things. We have to verify, is this actually true? Isn't there something that we have forgotten? When you know the Murphy's laws, one of them is saying if everything is going well, probably you've forgotten something. So there are a few laws of Murphy. When I look at this, I'm thinking about us. But that's it for these two cases. Anyway, it's the end of this video. Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Bye-bye.